Ever wondered how to perfectly grill shrimp with the ocean as your backdrop? Today, we're turning the beach into our kitchen, and you're the chef. First, let's talk shrimp selection. Fresh, plump, and ready for flavor. Marinate these beauties in garlic, lime, and a hint of spice. Grilling's all about heat. Get that grill sizzling, but not scorching. Lay the shrimp down, listen to that satisfying sizzle, and let the magic happen. Flip them once, golden and grilled to perfection. No sticking here. Aromas of grilled seafood mingle with salty sea air, a match made in heaven. Now the taste test. Juicy, smoky, a burst of the sea in every bite. Pair with a fresh salad, or just squeeze more lime. Simplicity is key. Gather friends, share the feast, and soak up the sun. This is beach grilling. As the sun dips low, the embers glow, our grilling adventure wraps up. You've mastered the art of beach grilling, with memories as savory as the shrimp. So what's next on the menu? The beach awaits your next culinary creation. Join us next time for more flavors, more fun, and more sun-kissed cooking.